If you've been on the lookout to see the latest site updates in here in Citadel Oasis, if you are still interested in buying either the 2-bedroom here or the 3-bedroom here in Citadel Oasis, if Citadel Oasis ticks all the boxes for you, please call or WhatsApp the number displayed on your screen. If this is your first time of seeing me, my name is Joanne, your best bet for anything off-plan, landed properties, anything real estate. I, Joanne of Joanne Homes Realty, got you covered. So for you to see subsequent videos on this channel, for you to know when we drop updates on this channel, you just need to tap on the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so that you will be among the first to know whenever we drop updates on this channel. I'm going to flip the camera so that we'll get into what we have for the day, which is showing you what has happened in Citadel Oasis. Don't forget, you still have the window to key into this project if you have not done that. If you're still looking for the spark, I believe that after you've watched this site update, you will know that you need to buy into this project before it's all gone. I will see you shortly. All right, welcome back, viewers. This is Citadel Oasis, a development brought to you by Nedcomax Real Estate. This project, as you know, is opposite the Lagos Charterhouse. That is the Lagos Charterhouse over there. I'm giving this information for my first-time viewers that will be wondering where this project is located. This project is opposite the Lagos Charterhouse off the Ogombo Road in here in Adesanya, Ajah, Lagos. From this estate to the Adesanya junction is just less than 5 minutes drive. I'm back to give you site updates on what we have done. This is not my first time of visiting this estate, okay? So we are going to move around the estate today and see what has gone down, okay? This is one project that for any time I visit, there must be something beautiful to show you. Smart investors, the last time I was here was about, will I say 3 weeks ago? And coming back here, I'm really happy and I'm so encouraged. I'm so grateful that few of my smart investors were able to key into this project. Take a look at this unit. We've gotten to the plastering stage. We are getting to the roofing stage. Very soon we'll start putting up our roofing sheets. You can see that we've already started placing the woods. We started doing the windows, and I'm so sure that very soon the POP is going to kickstart. Okay, work is in progress. What do we have selling here? We have the 2-bedroom terrace that comes with a BQ. We have the 3-bed terrace, and we also have a 4-bed. So if you are willing to buy either the 2-bed or the 3-bed or the 4-bed, do well to call or WhatsApp the number displayed on your screen. Okay, so many smart investors are on site for site inspection. People are buying into this project. Okay, for every time I visit Citadel Oasis, there must be something new to talk about. That is the reason why you need to invest in this project. So I want to move close to show us what we have achieved so far. Don't forget to hit your subscribe button, turn on your bell so that you stay notified whenever we drop updates on this channel. My name is Joanne, your best bet for anything off-plan real estate. Okay, you can see that the beauty is already coming out. So if you are yet to join us on this journey, we are almost shutting doors. If you want to jump on this train, the train is about to leave you. This is Citadel Oasis. This is a section of our 2-bed terraces that come with BQ. We have done POP here. We have started even painting the inside. We have fixed the windows. I'm going to step in to show that to you. I'm not just going to show it to you from the outside. I want to move in and show it to you, show you what we have done. Then we'll get to the other section, because aside this, we have other sections, okay? So let's go. This is your living room. This is your kitchen. Smart investors, see what we have done. See what we have done. This is more units coming up already. This is your guest toilet. Okay. Let's go upstairs. This is the master's. This is the master's bed. And that is the toilet and bath. We are here to fix the wares. But we are definitely going to do that. This is the second room. It's a 2-bed, 2 rooms up, kitchen downstairs, and a big queue behind. You have this balcony here. At the end of the day, it's going to look like that one there. So you can see our progress in here. More to come, okay? So what secures you a unit here is a 30% down payment, okay? So if you want to buy into any of our units here, all it takes you is just send me a WhatsApp message, okay? And I'll follow through with you. But bear in mind that it's a 30% down payment and you spread your balance. Let's get to the other parts. This is the 2-bed section. We have more stones. Everything we need is already on ground. We have enough tiles to work with. Okay. Workers are on site as always. There's no time I visit Citadel Oasis, you won't see workers on site. So, well done. So, even the back, we've roofed, you can see. Smart investors, even this section too, work is in progress. Okay, we have started painting. And we've started doing the plastering work. We've started fixing windows. We've also started doing internal plastering also. This is another section. Painting has started. POP has started. Let's even step inside too. We started putting up tiles too. Let's step inside and see. We've done tiles. We fixed doors here. We are yet to fix the toilet wares, but we fixed doors. This is the kitchen. Over here we have fixed the kitchen wares. Okay. This is one room here. So in this section we have one room downstairs. and 2 rooms up. So I believe this is a 3-bed. This is a 3-bed terrace. Not as much. So this is a 3-bed. Smart investors. You know, before now we've not had any sample units for 3-bed, but this is what our 3-bed here looks like. Same design with the 2-bed. The only difference is that there is 1 room downstairs and there are 2 rooms upstairs. So this is our 3-bed. Okay. This should be the masters. This is the masters of the 3-bed. Comes with a wardrobe. So this is exactly how you are going to be getting it. The unit comes empty, but you have your wardrobe, your windows. You are the one to do your furnishing. So if you are still interested in this, if you need a 3-bedroom in a very good location, this estate is well positioned. This is your best option. You have a balcony here. So this is your view from your balcony. And this is your family lounge. So let's keep going. This is your living room. I needed to give you a better view of it. This is your living room. This is your guest room, and this is your kitchen, and this is your guest toilet. So we are currently in the 3-bed terrace. The other one is the 2-bed. This is our 3-bed. So these are more units of the 3-bed. All this, more units of the 3-bed. So if you need a 3-bed, it's available. If you need a 2-bed, it's available. Just send a WhatsApp message on the number displayed on your screen. Okay? Let's check this out and see what it is. Well, this is another section and work is in progress. So let's check this out. I think this is also a 3-bed. Yeah, this is also a 3-bed because I'm seeing this is the kitchen and this is a guest room. This is also a 3-bed. But for us to be sure, let's go upstairs. Yeah, so this is a 3-bed. This is another 3-bed here. This one, tiling is in progress. This is another 3-bed. Okay, let's keep going. Don't forget to hit your subscribe button and turn on your bell. Do well to share this video to your uncle, your auntie, your friends, your neighbors, wherever that you know that needs to buy into a project that has a payment plan. Okay, share this video with them. This is your living room. Share this video with them. There is something I noticed about the 3-bed. Yeah, I don't know if it's just me. The living room of the 3-bed is bigger than the 2-bed. And I think the kitchen too of the 3-bed is bigger. I don't know, but I'm so sure the living room of the 3-bed is bigger than the 2-bed. Okay, let's keep going, viewers. I know you are getting value. every corner of this estate, work is in progress. If it's not the plastering that is going on, it is the tiling. If it's not the tiling, it is the plumbing work. Work is in progress. If it's not the plumbing work, it is the roofing. If it's not the roofing, it's POP that is ongoing. Smart investors, all hands are on deck, because we need to give you what you paid for. Aside us putting up units, we've done some section of the estate pathways, including drainage system. Okay, so these are still sections of units that are coming up. See what I mean by we've done the estate pathway? This is beautiful. So you see how lovely the estate pathway looks. Drainage system by the sides. Okay, we're about to put our roofing sheet there. Smart investors, viewers, aside the 2-bed, the 3-bed, and the 4-bed, this estate is going to come with lovely features. Features like a swimming pool, a fitness center, kids playground, adults playground, kids swimming pool, adult swimming pool. If you've watched my video on Citadel view, we are actually replicating what we did there, but over here we are giving you something better. Okay, I've gotten to the end of the estate, and even on this section, work is in progress. Well done. Afternoon, how are you? Well done. So even on this part of the estate, work is still in progress. Smart investors, we mean business here. So if you want to join us on this journey, call or WhatsApp me on the number displayed on your screen, so that we can either secure the 2-bed, the 3-bed in here for you. This project is almost gone. The units here are almost gone. So stop being an overthinker and be an action taker, and secure your units here before we are sold out. Welcome back, viewers. We've actually come to the end of the store. You have seen that work is still in progress on 100%. We are not stopping until we deliver this piece to you all that joined us on this journey. If you are yet to join us on this journey, you know what to do. Call or WhatsApp the number displayed on your screen, and I will take it off from there till I come your way again. My name is Joanne of Joanne Homes Realty, your best bet for anything off-plan, landed properties, short-term real estate investments, anything real estate. Joanne of Joanne Homes Realty got you covered. Thank you for sticking around till the very end of this video. Till I come your way again, enjoy the rest of your day, and bye for now.